The outgoing Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, has recommended the name of Justice UU Lalit to be the next CJI. After his elevation to the top position in the apex court formally on 27th August, Justice UU Lalit will become the 49th Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. He will only be the second judge to be elevated as the Chief Justice of the apex court directly from the bar of the Supreme Court after the 13th CJI M.M. Sikri since January of 1971. He is also the 6th senior advocate ever to be directly elevated to the Supreme Court. However, he will have a very brief tenure that will last merely a little over 2 months. After his superannuation, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud will be the next CJI. Today, we take a brief look at his career and work profile. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our portal. Uday Umesh Lalit began his jurisprudence career as an advocate in June of 1983 and used to practice in the Bombay High Court till December of 1985. In January of 1986, he shifted his practice to Delhi. He has also closely worked with one of the most brilliant legal luminaries of the country, the former Attorney General of India, Soli Sorabji. He has had a vast experience and expertise in criminal law and has been a part of several high-profile cases. He had represented Amit Shah in 2 high-stake criminal cases involving the killings of Sohrabuddin Sheikh and Tulsiram Prajapati. Besides, he had also appeared for Salman Khan in the Black Buck poaching case, for former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh in a corruption case, and former Army Chief V.K. Singh. He was appointed the Special Public Prosecutor for the CBI to conduct trial in the 2G spectrum allocation case. In April of 2004, he was designated a senior advocate by the Supreme Court. He was appointed a Supreme Court judge in August of 2014. As an apex court judge, one of his landmark hearings include the Triple Talaq case. He was part of the 5-judge bench that, by a 3-2 majority in 2017, ruled that the practice was illegal and unconstitutional. During the last leg of the hearing, while the then Chief Justice J.S. Kehar and Justice S. Abdul Nazir favoured putting the judgment on hold for 6 months and wanted to ask the government to come out with a new law to that effect, he was among those in the bench who held this to be violative of the constitution. He was also among the bench to dispose of the litigation about the issue of management of the erstwhile royal family of Travancore and their right of management over the historic Sri Padmanabhaswamy temple in Kerala. Last year, a bench led by him had reversed the Bombay High Court's controversial skin-to-skin ruling. The Bombay High Court had held that skin-to-skin contact between an accused person and a child was required to make a case under the POCSO Act. The bench led by him had asserted that delivering such verdicts would set a dangerous precedent. More recently, in July this year, a bench comprising him had sentenced fugitive tycoon Vijay Mallya to 4 months jail in contempt of court case. These were a few important cases that the next CJI have had a major role to play in. We hope you like these information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our portal. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.